Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you when you are searching any Bluetooth device on your Android phone, there is a bunch of number or MAC address showing instead of its actual Bluetooth device name, as you can see guys in my screen. So when I'm trying to connect a new device, there is a device name is not showing, only showing any random number or MAC address, as you can see guys in my screen. So I will show you few quick and easy fixes to solve this problem and get your device name to display correctly. Okay, first you need to forget and reconnect your device. To forget your connected device, tap on settings icon and just unpair it, and after unpairing just scan it once again and connect it back. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. If you are using a branded device like JBL, Realme or Boat, check there is a companion app available on the Play Store. Open the app, connect the device and look for an option to rename. Okay, after renaming your device, phone should display the correct name. This is very basic method, but this method will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to clear the cache of your Bluetooth app. To clear the cache of your Bluetooth app, open your phone settings, scroll down and find out apps like this. In the apps guys, tap on three dots and here enable this show system app and then tap on OK like this, and now scroll down and find out Bluetooth app. Open it and go to storage and clear the caches and clear the data of this app and go back. Forcefully stop this app like this and go back. Restart your device one time. After restarting, open your Bluetooth settings. Now let's see the problem was solved or not. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to check the developer option. If that did not help, try this enable developer option. Open your phone settings. If you have developer option, open it. If you don't have developer option, go to about phone, go to software information and tap on build number 6 to 7 times continuously, and then go back and open the developer option and enable it. After enabling, now here you need to find out one setting, show Bluetooth devices without name. If the option is enabled, just you need to disable it. Okay, this is the most important setting, you need to disable it. Okay, after this guys, restart your phone and it will definitely helps you to fix your problem. Still not working, try connecting the device to another Android or iPhone. If the name shows correctly there, it may be an issue with your phone. Also make sure your phone is up to date. To check your phone software update, go to system settings, phone settings, go to software update, go to download and install. If the update is available, just simply go ahead update the phone. After updating, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still you are facing the same type of problem. Now you need to try to reset your network settings. Okay, only you need to reset your network settings. Go to reset network settings and it will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. Okay, just tap on reset settings and confirm your password and reset your settings. That's it. After this guys, it will definitely fix your problem. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope this method should help you to fix the Bluetooth name issue on your Android phone. If this help you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.